Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set your Google Slides to transition automatically on your mobile phone Google Slides app. It's super simple and super easy to do. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. Let's get started with the video. First, open your Google Slides app on your mobile phone. After that, simply click on the presentation where you want it to be. Now, open the presentation where you want the transition to be and simply click on the three dots after opening your presentation and simply click on the three dots and you will find all the available options over here. If not that, you can simply choose plus icon and add anything from here as well. If you simply want transition, simply click on it and here you will find this transition right here. As you can see, the transitions are coming up one by one without me personally doing it. Turn on automatically after X seconds option and set the timing for each slides and your slides will turn automatically as you keep speaking. Now tap to all slides and you can apply the same settings for every slide that you have on your presentation right here. And that's it guys. Now your slides will advance automatically and perfect for looping displays or timed presentations. If this tip helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Google Slide tips and comment which transition you like the most. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.